Are you looking to invest in the heart of San Leandro, California? Well, I've got a rare opportunity not to be missed. Hi, I'm Katrina Carter, broker associate with eXp Realty, and today I'm excited to present to you 1888 Bancroft Avenue. This 5-unit building not only has steady income, but lots of potential. Let's take a look. Located in the highly desired area of Assumption Parish, this multi-unit property features a total of 5 income-producing units. The mix includes 3 spacious 2-bedroom, 1-bath units, 1 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit, and 1 1-bedroom, 1-bath, ideal for attracting a diverse tenant base. Each unit comes with its own dedicated carport space, plus an on-site laundry facility that adds value and convenience for tenants. The building has seen major updates over the years, including plumbing, electrical, and window replacements. 1 2-bedroom unit is currently vacant, perfect for showing potential rental income or even owner occupancy. While the units could benefit from additional cosmetic upgrades like new carpet and refreshed paint, the core systems are solid and most rents are already close to market value. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer, 1888 Bancroft Avenue is a smart addition to your portfolio. I'm Katrina Carter, selling real estate smarter. Contact me today to get started.